What does he indicate? It is ajnana janyam, moola vidya janyam, maya kalpitam. Okay, irunduttu potume. So let the world be there. It is a wonderful creation. It is all full of beauty. Their music is available, dance is available, wonderful sunrise is available, everything is there. What is wrong with the world? So Shankaracharya says, if there is nothing wrong, I would not have written this Atmabodha. I have to write because the world seems to be lokam, shoka, lokam, shoka, hatam cha samastam. Because raga dveshadi sankulaha. Sankulaha means riddled with, disturbed by, afflicted with. Raga, dvesha, adi. Adi சொன்னா காமக்ரோத லோபம் மோகம் மதம் ஆச்சரியம் நிறைய கணக்கு இல்லாம இருக்கும், எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்துக்க வேண்டியதான். So ragadveshadi sankulaha. And as long as ragadvesha is there, we know what will be the problem. In the first chapter of Gita, we saw Vishidannidam abravit kripaya paraya vishtaha Vishidannidam abravit. If ragadvesha is there, we can practice only one yoga. And what is that? Vishada yoga. எல்லாரும் என்னலாமோ கர்ம யோகம் பண்றா, பக்தி யோகம் பண்றா, நீ என்ன யோகம் பண்றான்னு? விஷாத யோகா. Okay, what do you mean by mithya? The definition of mithya is given here. Swakale satyavat bhati. Swakale means as long as it is experienced, at the time of experience, it appears to be real. That means what? Satyavat sonnathanaale, it appears as though real, na? It is not real. You are as though beautiful, na? You know what it is. You are as though intelligent, na? Tagarar. So I should say you are intelligent. Similarly, Satyavat bhati nale, it is not Satyam. At the same time, Satyavat bhati. So it appears also, therefore it is not asatyam also. And the bhati nu potrukkarathancha, it is neither satyam nor asatyam. Then what is it na? Sad asadbhyam anirvachaniyam mithya. It is beyond words. Like Swapana. In Swapana, everything is unreal. Losing the suitcase is unreal. Suitcase, so, the very Swapana is with the suitcase on the head. So therefore, suitcase is not lost. In dream, he has apparently lost. Therefore, can you say it is asatyam? No. Asatyam sollam vazhi illai, because he is disturbed, because he wakes up with disturbance. Therefore, it is capable of disturbing him. Therefore, it must have some kind of an existence. Therefore, neither it is totally existent, nor it is totally non-existent. Therefore, it is called mithya. Yadasat bhasamanam tan mithya swapana gajadivat. In Panchadashi, Vidyaranya said. Therefore, swakale satyavat bhati. Okay. Then why can't you say it is Satyam itself? He says, I cannot because prabodhe sati asad bhave. That's carefully padikanam. Prabodhe satya sad bhave. Padikapudade. மின்னால சத்யா வந்திருக்கு, இங்கே சத்யா இருக்கு, சரியா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Therefore, prabodhe sati asat bhavet. On waking, it becomes asat, non-existent. And therefore, trikale api yat tishtati tadeva sat. The definition of sat is trikala abadhyam. Dvamsa abhava apratiyogi. Naiyayika சொல்றது இப்படி பயம் எடுத்துன்னு சொல்லுவா. Dvamsa abhava apratiyogi. That which is not an object of future non-existence. எப்போது இருக்கு சொன்ன போறாதோ. That which is not an object of future non-existence. Dvamsa abhava apratiyogi. Okay, the idea is what? Yat sat, that which is satyam, which will be in all three periods of time. Swapna seems to be satyam because at that time it disturbs me. At the same time it is not satyam because on waking it goes, and therefore it is rendangatan. That is called mithya. Therefore prabodhe sati asat bhavet. Thus samsaraha is prathamika adhyasa caused by mula vidya, that too vikshepa shakti of mula vidya. Continuing. Tavat satyam jagat bhati shuktika rajatam yatha yavanna jnayate brahma sarvadhishthanamadvayam. Now here he says that the world, the mithya prapancha, appears to be real. Why? Because the reality belonging to the Atma Brahma is falsely transferred. That is Anyonya Adhyasa. This Anyonya Adhyasa, mutual confusion, is because of what? Avivekaha. It is because of avivekaha, which is because of ignorance. Avivekaha or ignorance, we can say. And as long as this aviveka continues, ignorance continues, we will transfer the satyatvam of the adhishthanam to the jagat only. And therefore he says, tavat jagat satyam bhati. The world will appear to be satyam yavat brahma na jnayate. As long as the adhishthanam Brahma is not known as Satyam. Yavat Brahma na jnayate. As long as Brahman is not known as what? Sarva adhishthanam. As the adhishthanam Satyam. So the word adhishthanam is a technical word, which means whatever lends satyatvam to another thing is called adhishthanam. Whatever lends satyatvam to another mithya vastu is called adhishthanam. For example, pot nama rupa is mithya because the name and form does not exist independently. The existence, Satyatvam, really belongs to what? Clay. The clay lends its existence, Satyatvam, to pot Nama Rupa. And now you say pot is real. And you argue also pot can fetch water and it even keeps the water cool. Therefore it is Arthakriyakari. Arthakriyakari means what? Capable of functioning. And this apparent pot seems to have reality which is borrowed from the clay. Therefore clay is called what? Adhishtanam. Similarly, the world has got now Satyatvam borrowed from Brahman. Therefore Brahman is called Sarva Adhishtanam. And not only Sarva Adhishtanam, Advayam. Pots are many, clay is one. Abharanams are many, gold is one. World contains infinite things, but Adhishtanam Brahma is Kevalam Advaitam. And this, as long as this Adhishtanam Brahma is not known, we will commit the mistake of giving the reality of Brahman to the Jagat. And Jagat will appear to be Satyam, and Satyam Jagat will disturb me. A Mithya Jagat cannot disturb me. The mirage water will not tempt me. The real water will tempt me. Even mirage water will tempt me when? If I don't know that it is Mithya. Similarly, the world will tempt me when it is not known as Mithya. Therefore, Yavanna Jnayate Brahma Sarvadhishtanam Advayam Tavat Jagat Satyam Bhati. And Yatha Brahma Jnayate Tatha Jagat Mithya Bhavati. Badhito Bhavati. Abhasito Bhavati. This is the main idea, and for that an example he wants to give. And what is that? Shuktika Rajatam. Shuktika, you know, is the shell, and Rajatam is silver. As long as shell is not known as shell, the reality, we will take it as a silver which is real. And not only that, it will tempt us and we will go towards that silver. And the first job is look around. Aradu paakarala. Adile vishesham irukke. And quiet aduthu paathu apdiye podum. Because jnanam agatam. And Shuktika Rajatam is an example for Raga. Dveshathukku or example namma supply pannam. What is that? Rajju Sarpaha is Dvesha Vishaye Drishtantaha. Like these questions along class days will. So Shukti Rajatam is Raga Vishaye Drishtantaha. One is for attraction, another for aversion. Shuktika Rajatam Yatha. Continuing. Upadane khiladhare jaganti parameshware sargasthitilayan yanti buddhudani vavarini. I am coming to announcement. So there is a small change in some textbooks. That is, the Ramakrishna Mission books do not have this shloka at all. Mithya is no. So therefore, upadane is missing. So you can note down. I would request you not to write down now. Because if you start writing now, you will not listen to me. And therefore I would request you to copy down after the class is over. Okay. And therefore here afterwards, the shloka numbers may vary. 111 less 1. If I tell the shloka number, you should be careful. Okay. Now the same Adhyasa, Shankaracharya is explaining a little bit more further. The Adhishthanam he calls as Upadana Karanam. What is Upadana Karanam? I remember right from the beginning. Aham Purnaha Aham Brahma Rupaha Aham am the Adhishthanam, which was said in the previous shloka. Now he says Upadanam. From this angle, the world will be called Karyam. When I say I am Adhishthanam, world will be called what? Adhyasa. When I say I am the Karanam, the world will be called Karyam. Two different names, the same idea. And the law is the same. Adhishthanam alone lends satyatvam to Adhyasa. Or, to put in the new language, Karanam alone lends satyatvam to Karyam. So, Karyasya swatantra satyatvam nasti, Karyasya satyatvam Karanam apekshya vartate. Karanatantram Karya satyam. Chinna line la podranum anathradha. Karanatantram. Karanatantram na anartham. Dependent on the Karanam is Karya satyam. Similarly, the whole world is Karyam. And who am the Karanam? I. And how am I the Karanam? Not I by myself. I require a missus. And the missus is called Maya Mula Vidya. So with the help of Maya or Mula Vidya, I have created the universe. The universe is Karyam, or I have superimposed an universe upon me. Vishwam Darpana Drishyamana Nagari Tulyam Nijantargatam. Then you will ask, how can you say the world is within me? I see the world very much outside me. Pashyannatmani mayaya bahirivodbhutam yatha nidraya. Dream world is within you or outside you? You should ask when. So as long as you are dreaming, in the dream you see the world not within you, you see the world very much outside. There also the sun is 9 crore miles away. There also the moon is 250,000 miles away. There also you get into the train to go to Bombay. Bombay is not within you, outside you. So swakale, swapna kale, the swapna prapanchaha bahyam vartate jagradavathayam prabodhe sati sayeva swapnaha mama antaha bhavati. In the same way, ajnana kale yatrahi dvaitamiva bhavati tatra itara itaram pashyati itara itaram shrunoti. But when I know I am the Chaitanyam, not only the world is within me, this body also is within me. Just as Swapna Shariram also within me, Swapna Prapancha also is within me, the waker. Swapna Shariram and Swapna Prapancha are both within the waker. But once I identify with Swapna Shariram, what happens? Swapna Sharira Drishtya. Swapna Prapanchaha is outside or inside. Swapna Sharira Drishtya Bahihi. But Vaikar Drishtya, Swapna Shariraha, Swapna Prapanchaha, Ubhau api Mad Antargatau eva. Similarly, this world and this Shariram, both of them are within me. Meanar Aham Brahma, the Sarvagata Chaitanyam. But if I don't look from the angle of the original I, and I look from the angle of this Swapana Shariram, idu annur Swapananda. From this standpoint of this Swapana Shariram, this world becomes outside. And therefore, Upadane Akhila Adhare Parameshware Mayi. Kadasila Mayi potukanam. In me, who am the Upadana Karanam, who am the Akhila Adharam, Vishwadharam, Gagana Sadrisham, Adodapur, Megavaranala Marabade. Okay. Summa Sulindevana. So Vishwadhare, Gagana Sadrishe, Chaitanya Rupe, Mayi, Ahami, Shuddha, Chaitanya Swarupe, Parameshware, who am the Parameshwaraha. Pata tonale envelninga. So they have pata sharirta pata tonale. So if you look at the body, aham not Parameshwaraha, aham Ishitaha. But I, the Chaitanyam, am Ishwaraha. Parameshware. Sargasthiti layan yati anti what? Jaganti. Jaganti means all the lokas. Jagat. Jagati, Jaganti, Takarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Prathama Bahuvajanam. So all these 14 lokas, Sarga Sthiti Layan Yanti, Srishti, Sthiti and Layam. That is Karya Prapanchaha. So this Karya Prapancha again, Srishti, Sthiti, Layam, all on me, who is Karana Chaitanya Rupaha. And from my standpoint, the creation and destruction of lokas is like what? Budbudani iva varini. So here, Shankaracharya compares the Atma to the ocean, the huge reservoir of water. And every loka is like a bubble, wave kuda sollala. Because in front of the infinite, even galaxies are bubbles only. You may say this galaxy is 50,000 light years wide and 40,000 or 70,000 light years length, and a new galaxy kandupidichinde irka. Thus the loka may be so vast, but in front of me, the Chaitanyam, all these galaxies are like what? Budbudam. Budbudam nanartham. Bubble. And one star is born. It is like a bubble formation. One star is gone. Bubble is gone. That means just as the arrival and departure of bubbles do not disturb the water, the ocean, similarly the arrival and departure of people, galaxies onnu pannadhu sonna oru prani pochu na enna perisu theriyave seiyadhu. So therefore one person dying, one house going away, or any other loss on earth is nothing when the disappearance of whole world is like the disappearance of a bubble for me. Therefore, budbudani varini iva jaganti mayi sargasthiti layan yanti. More we will see in the next class. Hari Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.